Welcome to ATP Customs. What are we up to today? Well, I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately because we have been swamped doing something in the shop, doing our changeovers. So everything's getting booted out right now. Mr. White is currently working on the box for that Duramax over there, which will be in paint today. Oh yeah, forgot, not supposed to show you this truck until it's running and driving and ready to do the burnouts. But yes, it's still sitting here. I have a game plan for it you guys are going to love. Very excited about that one. But here, I wanted to show you my dad's little Mercedes. 1975 280C. My dad's had for, I'm not sure how long, but I'm going to say at least 15 years. And it was running when he parked it. He did all new brakes on it. And it needs new coil springs. I have brand new ones in the trunk. But we ran out of time. I was hoping to get it done before this date, and I did not. So I'm going to have to take it out to my dad's and complete it out there. I thought I'd give you a little rundown on this cool little car. It is a two-door, which I have not seen many two-doors. I've not seen any of them on the road around here. Had to give it a massive pressure wash. It had lots of moss growing all over it. It literally looked like it was getting a mohawk on the roof from the moss. Kind of cool, but I should have kept it there. But it is almost complete. The only thing it's missing is that little bumper cap there and this little molding on that pillar. Everything else is there. Car needs obviously a restoration. It was running and driving when my dad parked it. It has the original inline 6-cylinder with a 4-barrel carb on it. Pretty cool little car. Absolutely everything is there. Turns over beautifully. We had to lube all the linkage, make sure it wasn't stiff. And what else do we have to do? Well, it doesn't have spark right now. That was the other issue. Does not have spark right now. I'm assuming it's probably just a bad coil because this car is pretty simple to work on. But I ran out of time, so it's got to go out to my dad's. Let's have a look inside. I'm surprised at how well everything is in here. Love the old cool dashes. I don't care what kind of car it is. I just love the designs. Every design was somebody's dream at some point. Some designer had a dream of making every vehicle look the way they do, and they're never the same, and that's what I love about vehicles. 64,299 original miles. Cool little car. Oh, it also has a sunroof too. That's neat. I've been having guys lowball me like crazy on this. Will I take $700 for it? Just so they can part it out because one guy needs the sunroof. And no, you can't have it unless you pay for it. Oh, well, luckily enough, it had all of the hubcaps in the trunk too. So yeah, it'll probably need a little rust repair here and there, but it's a two-door. I have not seen one. It is a cool little project, and it is going up for sale. It's actually already up for sale on Facebook. So there you go. Just a quick peek at a little Mercedes that I was trying to get done and didn't, so we'll have to take it out to my dad's. And that's what we're doing this afternoon. Moving vehicles out. We have a very, very exciting week for you guys next week. Oh my goodness, we have a lot of cool stuff coming in. There you go. Have a wonderful day. And I can't wait to show you what's coming. Thank you for watching. And I hope you subscribe.